Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Now I'm here in Singapore at the CommunicAsia event and I'm pleased to be joined by Dave McGlade, who is the CEO of Intelsat. Dave, Intelsat is a global operator, but how have demand for services changed worldwide?
Well, they've changed substantially. On our media side of the business, we have seen more global distribution of content going in multiple directions. So instead of coming out of just Western Europe and the United States to other parts of the world, we now see content coming out of Asia Pacific, for example, CCTV in China, NHK in Japan, looking to get a broader audience and expand globally. At the same time, we see more regionalization of content, so more country-specific content that's involved in local tastes and needs of each country.
Now, how are you evolving to keep up with these services and satisfy the customers?
Well, we have to keep giving the capacity that's needed. One is use MPEG-4, so use better encoding, higher order modulation so that we're in a position to give the best quality along with more capacity to satisfy the demand. The other part that goes with that is transitioning from standard definition to high definition. So better quality, more choices distributed all over the world, complemented by our terrestrial network that we call Intelsat 1. So we're moving video not only on our satellite fleet, but through our fiber network connected by our teleports.
Now, what does this mean to Intelsat in terms of investment?
Hundreds of millions of dollars plus. So we're investing in new satellite capacity, $3.5 billion since 2009 through early 2013. Hundreds of millions of dollars on the terrestrial side, upgrading our network, providing better capacity, so it's better quality and more of it.
Now, what is the biggest challenge facing Intelsat going forward?
Well, getting the capacity where we need it. So often we'll see markets that have really taken off and we have to groom capacity, or in some cases moving satellites to provide that capacity that's needed so dearly. So moving capacity from North America, where it's a more mature market, into, for instance, the Middle East. Moving capacity into Latin America and freeing up the supply there so that we can satisfy the demand. So it's really trying to ensure we have capacity where it's needed, at the same time being flexible. So we're trying to satisfy three customer sets: our media customers, our network services customers, and our government customers. And that actually works really well because the investments that are required, hundreds of millions of dollars per satellite, we can then amortize over a larger customer base, and it all works well for people. Better value for money for our customers, more efficient use of capital on our side.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.